Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem faced by many developers when dealing with laying out elements in a web application. So, let's dive into the problem. Imagine you have a list of tags that you want to display in a horizontal line. However, when you click the plus button to add more tags, they end up piling up vertically instead of aligning in a straight line. Frustrating, right? But fret not, we have a simple and elegant solution to this problem. The key lies in adding a specific style to the container housing your tag elements. By setting the display property to flex and adjusting the alignment and wrapping properties, we can ensure that the tags are displayed neatly in a row. Now, let's walk through the solution. We need to create a new style object specifically for the container div that holds the tags. This style object should include properties like display flex, align items center, and flex wrap to achieve the desired layout. Also, don't forget to adjust the max width and include a border if needed for better visualization. After implementing this style to the tags container, you'll notice that the tags now line up beautifully in a straight row, making your UI much more polished and user-friendly. So there you have it, a simple yet effective solution to align your tags in a straight line. Remember, details matter when it comes to creating a seamless user experience. As we wrap up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your favorite coding joke. Until next time, happy coding.